Go High Level Wizard here, and now I'm going to be showing you how to set up your very own affiliate program inside a High Level. So that's a referral system, it's affiliate marketing, basically getting an army of affiliates to sell your products for you. It is awesome. Before we jump in though, please go right down below, smash the subscribe button. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment right down below. We're going to come right down to marketing, and we're going to come right down over to affiliate manager. So the first thing I want to do is break down really what an affiliate program is and why it is so powerful. The Go High Level Affiliate Manager helps you get people to sell your products for you. It tracks sales and commissions automatically, gives you easy to use marketing tools, shows you how well things are going, and lets you pay your affiliates however you want. It's a simple way to grow your sales by letting others help sell for you. Again, I want to just show this diagram because what this really is and what an affiliate program really is like having an army of salespeople sell for you. And again, because they're selling on commission, it's basically like getting free sales. It's insane. And again, you can get family members to be affiliates, friends to be affiliates, influencers to be affiliates, salespeople, customers, and clients. You see these dollars I put in here because it just shows you how much you can do with this program. And again, guys, affiliate programs and affiliate marketing is one of the biggest plays in the modern world. Alex Hormozy, Coca-Cola, all these big titans, they use affiliate programs. They are one of the best and most powerful ways to grow. And again, as you see right down here, by recruiting all these people, it is like having an army of salespeople. The first thing I want to do is just give you a quick rundown of all these tabs. So the first thing is dashboard. It's just where all your general stats are. Campaign, this is going to be where you see all of your affiliate campaigns. Affiliates is going to be where you see all of the people, okay, your affiliates that you have signed up underneath you. Okay, then you have payout. This is where you pay out said affiliates. Media, so this is its very own media storage tab, so your affiliates can see and access maybe media if they need to use it. Then you have settings, which goes over cookie life. So that's how long basically the affiliate tracking code is within that. So if someone wants commission, if they sign up someone and that person signs up in 22 days, they'll get commission. If it's 23 days, they won't. So you can play with that. And then you have include setup fees, any sort of sub-affiliate sign-up page, and then the auto renewal, and then customizations, just some basic other stuff. So now let's jump in and actually create an affiliate program. So you're going to come right in here. You're going to go right to campaign and you're going to click add. Okay, so the first thing I want to break down is all affiliate programs in High Level are based off of products. Okay, and if you go right in here and you come right up to here, products are these, okay? They can be services too, actually. I know that's really weird, but they can be. As you see, you can import from Stripe. But this is really important to understand because this is the building block of this. If you don't have a product, you can't have an affiliate campaign, okay? And again, I have a full video on this entire dashboard, products, invoicing, so please watch it. If you don't know what this is, I'm assuming you do, but if you don't, go watch that. Okay, so first you have to have your products set up, and again, you don't understand, go watch the video, but you'll come right in, okay, and then we're gonna build this out. Click add, okay, and then we pick our source. So the source is just where it's coming from. Is it coming from a funnel, a website, a store, a form, a survey, a calendar, or an external website, which is with Stripe? So the first thing is to pick your source. So we're gonna do skincare funnel, and again, I'm not going to go through all these because it's basically the same thing for all of them. But basically what you have to do is you have to set up products and you have to make whatever this is live. So if it's a funnel, you have to connect a domain. If it's a website, domain, store, domain, forms, just has to be a live form, surveys, calendars, same thing. So this is a really important part, and I see a lot of people mess up on this. So the first thing we're going to do is make this funnel live. So we're in sites, we're in funnels, we're going to click this funnel, okay, and we're going to make sure that this is all set up. And again, for products, if you're wondering where to add them, right in here. So products, and again, it's the same thing across all those other sources. You click add product, and you're going to pick the product you want. So we're just going to do shampoo, and we're going to click, we'll just do shampoo 30, shampoo, and click save. Okay, we got it just like that. Now that that's plugged in, we have our products plugged in. Again, whatever product you have, make sure you plug it in to whatever source. Okay, now we're going to make sure this bad boy is live. So we're going to come right here and we're going to click davidsplumbingandsons.com. I'm going to click save, and boom, check that out. It has now been set up. How awesome is that? So again, whatever source you're picking, make sure you make it live first. So now we're going to be like, okay, cool. We come to next. And then you have to figure out what the commissions are. So what is a commission? It is the percentage or flat fee that you pay the affiliate for sending someone your way. So we're just going to do percent, and we're just going to do 30. Again, you pick what you want. Tiers. Okay, this gets a little weird because technically, according to Google and the law, past 3 tiers becomes a Ponzi scheme. Again, I'm not an expert on this. Do your own research. So I recommend 2, but they say once it goes to 3, 4, because that's what it is. Someone under you gets 20%, then they get 10%, and it just keeps going and going and going. Again, I'm not an expert on that. Just do your own research, but I would just do 1 or 2, so we'll just leave it at 1. Then we click next. Then you're going to put a description in. So shampoo for David's Plumbing and Sons. I know. What plumbing company sells shampoo? I don't know. It's a creepy world we live in. But we click that, and then you're going to assign affiliate. But we don't have an affiliate created yet, so we're actually going to skip over that and do that in the next part because I want to show you how to do that manually. And if you come right in here, it's the same settings I showed you before. So you click Finish, you click Publish Now, and you're good to go. So now you have it. So now, real quick, you see your campaign right here. You can come right into the dashboard. You'll see the same thing, basically all of the metrics on it, and you can see right here everything that's going on. And to edit it, you just click these 3 dots, edit, delete, clone, simple as that. But a campaign is useless without affiliates because the affiliates are the people that go out and sell for you. So we're going to come right down to affiliate, and we're going to create an affiliate. So you just click add right here, and here's what's cool. You can do new affiliate where you type in all of their info and just plug in some random affiliate, okay? You can upload an affiliate from a spreadsheet, or you can actually import from your contacts. And I really like to do this if you're basically, getting employees or clients to be affiliates for you. And again, in that slide I showed you back, you can get family members, employees, clients, friends, cousins, anyone to be an affiliate. That's the beauty of affiliate. So we'll just click import from Mary Gradon. Okay, we're going to refresh this page. Boom, there she is. Now you have affiliates, and you can add as many as you want. Now we have to add the affiliate to the campaign. So you can come right in here, you can click edit affiliate, then you can come right here and assign them to that campaign, and then click done. Okay, or what you can do, and by the way, this is the link that they will have. So you send them this link, and this is the link they're going to use to be your affiliate. And again, they will log in. It'll send them an email once you do this. They'll say log into your affiliate portal, and they'll get access to this little dashboard. How cool is that? You can have people have access to a little portion on high level, and it'll be just this, and this is the link they'll use. I'll show you again where to get that in a second, but we're going to click done. Then we're going to go back to campaigns. I just want to show you another way to do this. Edit campaign. Next, and you can assign affiliates right here. So she's already assigned, but I just want to show you all the options so you understand. But that is another way you can do it, which is very handy and will save you a lot of time. Again, they'll get access to this, and it'll be a dashboard just like this. They'll see their exact link that they pick. But again, if you want to show them their link, you come right in here, edit affiliate. Okay, you can come to save and continue, and this just gives you extra details you can add on this contact. We come to advanced settings, and then right here, their referral code, blah, 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 Mary Gradon. Check that out. Copy. You got the coupon codes. You can add commissions, and this is all really cool because, again, as you see right here, you can add all this other stuff. So add sales manually, add lead, add coupon. You get all that other stuff. So now that you've created your campaign, okay, it's live to sell shampoo, and you've gotten your affiliate sign up who wants to go sell for you, now, if they start selling and they're getting clicks, customers, leads, and now it'll show all their money, like they sold 5 products for you, they made $300, well, they got to be paid out. So right in here is basically where the payouts happen. And again, you will dictate this, but once they come in, you will see it'll say Mary Gradon sold X amount of whatever, and they will all be right in here. And then from there, you just pay them out. Simple as that. You can also download them. Didn't even need to do that, but you can just download them, and it's literally that easy. And again, with this, they keep updating this. High Level literally has added so many things. This was really rough in the beginning. But again, it's that simple to build an army of people to sell for you. I mean, it's a game changer if you have simple products. Now, I wouldn't recommend you do this for everything, but also if you're trying to build out like a referral system, let's say for local SEO or a product, you could create a product and then get a bunch of your users to have affiliate links so they could then go, hey, click this link to schedule a call, whatever, and you can go wild with it. But the idea is if you properly set this up, you can just make it rain because, again, it's like having a bunch of salespeople. It's not costing you anything other than the commission. But since they're doing the hard work and getting the clients for you, it's technically free. So you can literally build an army of salespeople. It's insane. And again, this is what the top people do to absolutely make it rain. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in learning high level and more about this stuff, I have a 30-day free trial link down below. Not a 14-day, a 30-day free trial link. So go check that out. If you do well with that, you have access to a partnership opportunity where I will go in, help you learn how to sell this, build out your agency, set you up, and show you how to become an absolute killer with high level, guys. And I'm telling you again, there's no better time to get into high level. AI is booming. There's money to be made. It is a wonderful time to be alive. Guys, other than that, if you have any questions, drop them down below. As always, I appreciate your viewership. Keep watching. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, go high level wizard out.